How to fix horizontal or vertical green line on laptop screen on Windows 11. So let's get started. In most cases, it must not be a big issue to fix, so simply follow these steps to fix your computer screen. So, firstly, all you have to do is check graphics card driver. Begin by taking a look at the graphics card driver. Display drivers play an often important role in the smooth communication between the computer and the display hardware. So in order to update it, go to the settings and open device manager. Then select display adapters. Now right click on your graphics driver from the list of drivers and click update driver. Continue and follow the instruction prompted on your screen and check if the issues with lines on the display is set right. Now the another method is modify the screen resolution. As already mentioned in the causes, the horizontal line issues may be due to the difference in the screen size and set screen resolution. So to do so, open settings and go to the system. Now click on display and adjust the resolution according to your screen size. Then check if the horizontal lines have disappeared. If not, simply make sure to check the external software for any malware. Uninstall the recently installed or any suspicious software. If not malware, then there are also instances where the external software settings might interfere with the computer's display settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.